हेलो पिलामाने आम आज पढ़ा क्लास 7 साइंस रो चैप्टर 1 जाके अच्छी न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स फास्ट पैराग्राफ टा देखिबा। In class BI, you learned that food is essential for all living organisms. You also learned that carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals are components of foods. What are components of foods? Carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamin and minerals are components of foods. These components of food are called nutrients and are necessary for our body All living organisms require food. Plant can synthesize food for themselves, but animals include humans cannot. जहाँकि प्लांट निजे तार फूड तैयारी करता है बट एनिमल तार फूड से निजे तैयारी करना था प्लांट ठारो किंबा अदर एनिमल ठारो खाई था. ह्यूमन कैन नॉट बी यूज फॉर प्रिपेयर. They get it from plants or animals that eat plants. Thus, human and animals directly or indirectly dependent on plant. Okay. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ को देखिए. नेक्स्ट अच्छी move of nutrition in plants. Plants are only organisms that can prepare food for themselves by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. How plants make food by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. Raw materials are present in their surroundings. The nutrients enable living organisms to build their body, to grow, repair damaged parts of their bodies and provide energy to carry life process. Nutrition. How the nutrition enable living organism to build bodies. How the nutrients enable to living organism. 1. To build bodies. 2. To grow. 3. To repair damaged part of their bodies. 4. Provide the energy carry out life taking. Third paragraph. Utilization by the body. The mode of last part nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. The mode of nutrition is an organism make food themselves from the simple substances is called auto authoraphy. Authoraphy means autotherapy means auto means self. Throps means nutrition. Nutrition, therefore, plant called autotherapies. Because plants are need food. Plants are need food and prepare, so they are called autotherapies. Animals and most other organisms take in food prepared by plants. They are called heterotropy. Hetero means others. Animals are eat food by others. Now we make ask where the food factories of plants are located. Whether foods are made in all parts of plants or only in certain parts. How do plants obtain the raw materials from the surroundings? How they transform them to food? आगु देखा क्वेश्चन. Okay. Photosynthesis, food making process in plants. Photo means light. Synthesis means prepare. Synthesis means prepare. So देखिए 1.2 paragraph. Leaves are the food factories of the plants. Therefore, all the raw materials must reach the leaf. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed absorbed by roots and transformed to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in सेटा में पछे पड़े आगो पढ़िया फर्स्ट. Cell. What is cell? What is cell? You have seen that buildings are made up of bricks. Similarly, the bodies of living organisms are made up of tiny units called cell. What is cell? The body of living organisms are made of tiny units called cell. Cell can be seen only under the microscope. Some organisms are made of only one cell. The cell is enclosed by a tiny outer boundary called the cell membranes. Most cells have a distinct central located spherical structure called the nucleus. What are nucleus? Spherical structures are called nucleus. The nucleus is surrounded by a jelly-like substances called Symptoms. What are symptoms? The nutritious surrounded by a jelly-like substances called symptoms. ଆମେ ତା ପିକ୍ଚରଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବା। ପିକ୍ଚର ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବା। এইটা হচ্ছে সেলর ফিগর ও পিকচর। এইটা হচ্ছে তার নিউসেলাস। এটা এই ছোট ছোট বিন্দু जो ହେଇଛି এটা सिम्पटम्स। और सेल मेम्ब्रेन्स जोरा तार जो ब्लैक गारा गुरा ब्लैक लाइन्स जो ଦେଇଛି ସେରା ହଉଛି ତାର सेल मेम्ब्रेन्स। ओके नेक्स्ट देखिबा कोन ଅଛି। Through the tiny process present on the surface of leaves, these pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. What are called stomata? The pores are called stomata. What are pores are surrounded by guard cells. Guard cell. Okay. Next देखिबा। Water and minerals are transported to the leaves by vessels which run like pipes throughout the root, the stem, the branches, and the leaves. They form a continuous path of pages or for the nutrients to reach the leaf. They are called vessels. You will learn more about transport of minerals in plants in chapter 7. Okay. नेक्स्ट देखिबा।